Welcome to our channel. If you received a new ReliaCard in the mail and need to activate it, follow these step-by-step instructions to start using your card for purchases and withdrawals. Step 1. Open the envelope and carefully remove your ReliaCard, along with any accompanying materials. Step 2. Read the instructions provided with your card, which typically include activation details and important information. Step 3. Locate the activation phone number printed on the sticker attached to your card or in the instruction materials. This is usually a toll-free number. Step 4. Call the activation phone number from your registered phone or any phone available. Step 5. Follow the automated prompts and enter your card number when requested. The card number is the 16-digit number on the front of your ReliaCard. Step 6. Provide any additional information as prompted, such as your social security number, date of birth, or zip code for verification purposes. Step 7. Create a 4-digit PIN when prompted by the system. Make sure to choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Step 8. Confirm your PIN by entering it a second time. Step 9. Listen for confirmation that your ReliaCard has been successfully activated. Step 10. Sign the back of your card immediately to enhance security. Step 11. Your ReliaCard is now ready to use for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.